Hey Linda, how's it going? This is June. I'm making this video to share with you what's up with our team and how our Sustainable Campus Challenge is going. I think it's easier for me to explain it in video than typing it out, I actually wrote the script on here and I'm going to read it out as I go further, but I will add on some of the details as I go. I participated in the Sustainable Campus Challenge where we experienced three areas: research, campus audit, and interview. We actually did our campus challenges in three areas: energy, health, and waste. I'll talk about our energy module specifically because I am the leader of the module. For energy research, we did educate ourselves on what SP100 is, what Energy Vampire is, getting to know more about renewable energy and energy system. So that way we could evaluate our campus based on our knowledge and interview other people to educate other people too. And then we did campus audit, which was basically seeing how many bright lights are on, how many LED, how many unused devices were turned on. And it was surprising that there were a lot of unnecessary lights on our campus. And lastly, I interviewed so many people. I interviewed key stakeholders such as NMUSD Head of Maintenance and Operations, Lentz. We talked about how much energy is used daily on specific time on our campus, Corona del Mar High School. And we also interviewed many people other than Lentz, like my friends. I interviewed you, Linda, too, and lastly, teachers and other faculty members. For the other modules, I believe we did the same thing. For health module, we went to the lunch line and see how many it's for waste module, how many waste was made, how much water was wasted. I actually found a faucet that was lasting over 1.5 minutes if I turn on that faucet. I couldn't turn it off. It automatically just kept going for 1.5 minutes. We really have to fix that thing. For waste, we looked into food, water, our recycling bin, and stuff like that. But for moving on to the health one, for health module, we focused on mental health, student health, and student activity on the campus. I was able to talk to many people. First, school psychologists, counselors, and wellness center social workers. And I learned a lot from them about what therapy is and how many resources we have in terms of mental health. I realized that there are so many resources on our campus, but the only problem is that we students are not aware of those. I think it's important to utilize the resources because many resources are being undervalued or it's not discovered yet by people. Through this experience, I analyzed both infrastructure and human behavior to develop a more comprehensive understanding of sustainability on campus. I have not notified those issues on our campus to principal or vice principal yet because I believe it's going to take a while to implement the changes, and I have to make it convincing or visualize the results so that administrators can understand what I'm doing, right? And this is what I've been and my teammates have been doing for Sustainable Campus Challenge. Thank you for listening, Linda. Bye.